Welcome to Computer in Education course EDU 402.1, Module 3, Unit 1. In this module, we'll be looking at theories supporting ICT utilization in education. Learning objectives. Upon completion of this unit, you will be able to define a theory, list the theories that support ICT utilization in education, describe the principles of the diffusion of innovation theory, define innovation and diffusion within the context of the diffusion of innovation theory, identify and describe the stages of adoption of innovation, differentiate among the roles of innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards in the diffusion process. What is a theory? A theory is a set of principles or ideas on which individuals anchor their practices and actions. In education, theories provide a foundation for designing instructional strategies, understanding student learning, and evaluating educational outcomes. They help educators make informed decisions about teaching methods, curriculum development, and educational technology integration. Theories that support ICT utilization in education include 1. Diffusion of innovation theory, 2. Technology acceptance model, 3. Connectivism, 4. Constructivism, and 5. Engagement-based theory. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on the diffusion of innovation theory. But before we go into it properly, we are going to define diffusion and innovation. Diffusion is a process by which innovation spread through the society, communicated through various channels, and adopted by individuals. While innovation is a new idea, practice, object, or products and services that offers a new solution or approach. Points to note about the diffusion of innovation theory. The theory was developed by E.M. Rogers in 1962. The theory describes the process by which new idea, products, or behavior gain popularity and are adopted by the society. The theory explains the stages of adoption by different people who use the new idea. Let's look at the stages of adoption of innovation. There are 5 stages of adoption of innovation, which are awareness, interest, evaluation, trial, and adoption. In awareness, individuals become aware of the innovation but lack detailed information. In interest, individuals develop an interest and seek more information about the innovation, exploring its benefits and potential applications. In evaluation, individuals weigh the pros and cons and decide whether to adopt or reject the innovation based on needs, value, and existing practices. On trials, individuals experiment with the innovation on a small scale, reducing uncertainty about its values and feasibility through practical application. On adoption, individuals fully adopt the innovation after successful trial, integrating it into routine practices and confirming its benefits through continued use. Let's look at the individuals in the diffusion of innovation theory. According to this theory, there are 5 sets of individuals in the society. These are the innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. Innovators are risk takers who embrace new ideas first and contribute to early adoption of innovation. Early adopters. These are influential opinion leaders who validate the innovation's utility and help it gain wider acceptance in the society. Early majority. The mainstream population that follows early adopters and drives widespread adoption of innovation. The late majority. a more cautious group that adopts innovation after it becomes a common practice, driven by social pressure and evidence of its success, while the laggards are individuals who are hesitant to adopt innovations, preferring traditional methods and resisting change. Implications of the diffusion of innovation theory in education. This theory enhances student engagement with new teaching methods and technology by identifying early adopters among students. These students facilitate the adoption of new technologies in the classroom. This theory facilitates new policy implementation. This theory helps to engage parents and the school community in new initiatives, ensuring broader acceptance and support for innovation in education. Conclusion: by appreciating the stages of adoption and the roles of various adopters, educators can strategically support the diffusion process, ensuring that valuable technological innovations reach and benefit the students. This theory remains a vital tool for driving progress and embracing new advancements in education. Thank you.